Code P253F means engine oil deteriorated. This code appears when the engine control module determines that the engine oil has reached the end of its useful service life. Modern vehicles monitor oil condition using operating conditions, mileage, temperature, and engine runtime to estimate when oil change is needed. When the P253F code appears, drivers may notice an oil change reminder, maintenance warning message, or check engine light. In most cases, the vehicle will continue operating normally, but the code indicates that the oil has deteriorated and should be replaced soon. The most common cause of P253F is simply overdue engine oil maintenance. Other possible causes include using the wrong oil type, severe driving conditions, contamination of the oil, or failure to reset the oil life monitoring system after a previous oil change. To fix P253F, perform a complete oil and filter change using the manufacturer-recommended oil. After servicing the vehicle, reset the oil life monitoring system according to the manufacturer's procedure. Clear any stored codes and verify that the maintenance warning has been removed.